Hey guys, we just got in our Mob Armor shipment here for our SEMA build. Just want to thank Mob Armor. Thank you very much, guys. You guys are badass. You guys make some awesome products. Really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get busted in this box and see what we got going on. It's a pretty dang big box. Papers. Alright, so we got the action cam bundle. It looks like it's for the GoPros. Pretty awesome. It's for a cage mount, it's a magnetic mount, and a short magnetic mount all in here. Really like it. That's pretty cool. Check that out. And it's got a really nice sturdy case too. Bitchin'. And always my favorite, Mob Armor stickers. Thank you guys. What else we got here? We got the Magnetic Pro, the 90. These things are badass, man. These things, I got one of these on my welder, and I put my cell phone on it while I'm welding, and that way I can hear phone calls, and I'm not laying all over my phone in my pocket. These things are legit. I love these. I sell these here at the shop. Awesome product. And we got the Mob Armor accessory. This one is for flashlights, hold your tool, whatever you need to stick right in here. Bam! Just stick it there. And this thing's huge, man. This is a big mount. So we got another Mobnetic. Got two Mobnetics. We have the Mob Armor accessory. So this is basically the same thing as Mobnetic, but you can actually hook it up with different accessories on it. Ooh, check that out. Desert tan. That's going to go perfect with the truck. That's awesome. Definitely going to use this 100%. We got two of them. What we get here? We got another accessory pack that goes with these. So these get mounted onto there. The accessory pack gets bolted onto here, and that's what holds it on. I'm loving that desert tan. That's legit. We got the smaller mount for smaller flashlights. And the creme de la creme. Tablet mount, man. This thing is badass. So you can pretty much put whatever size tablet you got. You can put it on. Put whatever size tablet you have inside this. It's adjustable up and down and side to side. It does have a really huge base that you can put on to your dash. If you work construction, you can put it on your rig. Whatever you got to do. This thing is legit. Super excited to have this. All machined out of aluminum. See this in action on the Survivor truck, Search and Rescue Edition number 5. We'll be doing more videos like this. I'll show you exactly what it looks like when we get it on the vehicle. I'm going to do some videos about that. But all in all, thank you very much, Mob Armor, for everything that you sent us. I'm super excited about it all. It's a great product. You guys build some amazing stuff. I'm just missing my magnetic koozies, but we'll hopefully get those by the show. Until then, you guys take it easy. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.